How to fix the "My Motorola won't charge" error. Today we'll explain step by step how to fix this problem and get your cell phone working again without taking it to a technician. We plug in our charger and our Motorola isn't charging. There are many factors that can cause this with Motorola phones. What could these errors be? The first thing that often happens is that these USB-C ports are very difficult to damage because they are very robust charging pins. The only way these charging pins can be damaged is if the pin itself breaks. But let's say you have the pin exactly as we see it here, then it's an error that I'm going to show you how to fix. What will you need? We'll need a hairdryer and old brush, something with a very thin tip, and rubbing alcohol. The alcohol is very important. So, what do? We do this. We turn off our phone completely. Wait 5 seconds for the phone to completely turn off. What we're going to do is scrape the contact area. Select the area and scrape it several times. Scrape the two contacts, top and bottom. Scrape those two areas, top and bottom, top and bottom. After we do that, scrape it well. We'll use a little bit of alcohol. After we use the alcohol, we'll insert the tip and clean it both top and bottom. After we do that, we clean it well. We'll only use alcohol, and then we move the brush so that only a little moisture gets in. After we do that, we'll dry it. After we dry everything completely in about 30 seconds, let it cool down because it will be a little hot. Let it cool down, then plug it in and wait 5 seconds. You'll see that your device will be completely recovered without needing to take it to a technician.